get big when I do that. La la la.
Yeah, buy a thing.
It's Sarah. It's Courtney, the love of my life.
Get my eye, Jamie.
Hi. There is a group of children we do not know. Look at that fountain, it's so pretty. Look at that whole view though, it's so nice. And I like her accent.
You won't even have that.
La 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 la. Someone kicked it.
Is that how that happened? Can you see anything out of it? Because that happened on my iPad.
What?
Can't see anything.
I'm running out of money. I need $20.
Can I'll throw her in the fountain. See, now it's Make-A-Wish Foundation.
Look at that. It's so pretty.
Dude, I want him.
Right down there. Yeah, it's so big and pretty.
I have. Wish pretty. You know it. Wish. Wish, I'll throw it.
You're really weird, Abby. But you're my friend. Abby, you are weird.
Oh, I missed.
Well, she missed, and there it is. No, wait. I gotta get a video. She missed, and there is Fiona's head. Can I throw it in?
No, Abby.
Okay, Abby. I want a video of it. Namaste. Okay, well, there's...
To make a big splash.
Well, the Fiona head is in there. Where did it go? And Mr. Rowell. Ew. Megan! Lol.
Megan, it's a movie.
Lol. Are you just standing there smiling?
Are you taking a picture?
No, it's a movie.
Oh, well,
Do you keep on dancing? Oh.
7, 8, 9.
She's a pretty soft sir. 5, 6. It's a long movie. Megan is so cute. I got to take my picture next to her in the good picture. Well, this is what I've got to do, so I got to shut